Want to send a location on Viber to show someone where you are? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to send a location, you will need to open the Viber app and go to the specific chat where you want to share it. Inside the chat, look for an icon with a plus at the bottom, near the input text fields, and tap on it. From the menu that appears with different options, you will need to find and select the location option. Viber will then open up a map that will automatically pinpoint your current location for you. You can simply tap the Send Location button to instantly send your current coordinates to the chat. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top to find and send a different location, like a restaurant or a meeting point. Also, let's add another location. You can move the pointer on the map to get the location pointer where you want to meet or send. Then send the info to the person you want. And that's how you can send a location on Viber, a useful feature for meeting up with friends or giving directions. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.